Welcome to this video on Python lists. Explained simply, we will cover everything you need to know, from the basics of creation to advanced operations. So what exactly is a list in Python? A list stores multiple items in a single variable, enclosed in square brackets. Items can be of any data type, and lists are ordered and changeable. Why should you use lists? They allow you to group related data, making them perfect for collections like scores or names. Lists are easy to loop through, can change dynamically, and form the foundation of many Python programs. Creating a list is straightforward. Use square brackets and separate items with commas. You can create lists of strings, numbers, or even an empty list. In our first example, we create a list of student names. The built-in len function lets you quickly count the number of items in the list. Running the script prints the full list, followed by the length of the list, which is 4. This demonstrates how to create and get the size of a list. Example 2 shows how to access items using indexing. Remember that indices start at 0. You can also use negative indices, like -1, to get the last item. The output confirms that accessing index 0 returns "apple," and accessing index -1 returns Lists are mutable, meaning you can easily add items. Use append to add to the end, and insert to add an item at a specific index. After appending laptop, mouse, and keyboard, then inserting monitor at index 0, the final cart list contains all 4 items with monitor at the beginning. To remove items, you can use remove by specifying the item's value. Alternatively, pop removes an item by index and returns the value, allowing you to use it elsewhere. The output shows the remaining list after removing meeting and popping the item at index 0, which was email. Slicing allows you to grab a section of the list using a start and end index, separated by a colon. You can get the first few elements, the last elements, or a segment in the middle. The output clearly demonstrates the 3 slices: the first 3 numbers, the last 2 numbers, and the middle segment from index 2 up to, but not including, index 5. Python provides useful built-in functions for lists, such as len, max, min, and sum, The sort method modifies the list in place to order its elements. Running the code outputs the length, maximum, minimum, and sum of the numbers list. The last line shows the list after the in-place sorting operation has been applied. As you continue coding, be aware of common mistakes. Remember that indexes start at 0. Avoid confusing remove, and pop, and use .copy, for true list duplication, not just the assignment operator. To summarize, lists hold multiple items in order, accessed by index. You can add items with append, or insert, and remove them with remove, or pop, Lists are essential for real Python programs.